Why do we chase happiness as if it's a distant mirage in a desert, always just beyond our reach? This is the question that has baffled philosophers, scholars, and everyday folks alike for eons. And the answer, as it turns out, is fascinatingly simple. Happiness is not something we find, it's something we discover within ourselves. Picture a treasure chest, hidden deep within you, filled to the brim with happiness. It's always there, waiting for you. Life, with its twists and turns, can sometimes feel like a maze. Relationships, friendships, adversities, they can all blur the path to this treasure. But remember, the key to unlocking happiness lies not in avoiding these hurdles, but in embracing them, learning from them, growing stronger with each challenge. Perfection, an elusive ideal, can often become a roadblock. But here's a secret. Beneath the surface of what we perceive as imperfect, there lies a hidden perfection. It's like looking at a piece of abstract art. Instead of focusing on what seems out of place, try to see the beauty in the chaos. Mistakes? They're stepping stones, not stumbling blocks. And the best way to correct them? A delicate dance of authority and compassion. Many of us fall into the trap of postponing happiness. We tell ourselves, I'll be happy when I graduate, or I'll be happy when I get that promotion. But happiness isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's not waiting for us at some distant shore, it's right here, in the present moment. When the storm clouds gather, it's important to step back and see the bigger picture. Realize that life's challenges are vast and varied, and your struggles are but a small part of this universal tapestry. Remember how you've weathered storms in the past, and know that you have the strength to do so again. Practice mindfulness, breathe, meditate. These are your anchors amidst the waves. Strength, true strength, comes from maintaining a positive outlook even when the going gets tough. When you take responsibility for your own happiness, you build a fortress of resilience that no external circumstance can breach. Every challenge you face becomes a stepping stone towards spiritual growth, leading you closer to that hidden treasure chest of inner contentment. As we continue on this journey, it's essential to not just build resilience, but also to nurture our inner strength. This strength is not about physical power, but rather the mental and emotional fortitude that fuels us in our pursuit of happiness. It's about fostering a sense of self-worth, embracing our unique talents, and acknowledging our potential. It's about understanding that our value is not determined by external circumstances, but by our own perception of self. And while you're here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. We're all on this journey together, and each and every one of us has something valuable to contribute. So let's keep growing and learning together. So connect with this source within you. As you do, you'll find your senses becoming sharper, your mind growing calmer, and the course of your life bending towards fulfillment. Remember, happiness isn't something you chase, it's something you discover within.